Hey guys, it's Guru. I'm back with my third video of the day. Sorry about all this uploading, but I checked my mailbox and I got a one package Mailday from CnC. But before that, I'm gonna recap a rack pack of 13-14 Score that I purchased at my local Target. So I'm gonna recap that with you guys. So I got a neck cam of Carey Price. My golds were of Dmitry Kulikov and Ian White. Focus. There we go. And the exclusive red borders, pretty sure they're exclusive. They're only in the rack packs this year. Was of Matt Collin and Michael Ryder. And my two hot rookies was of Quentin Howden and Michael Granlund. So he's one of the better ones to get this year, one of the top rookies to get. So that is the recap of my rack pack. Now onto the one package Mailday from CnC. I joined the mini versus mini, and I got shutouts, so I want to see what they had sent me. It was a cheap break, so I figured out I could just join it into it. I got shutouts, so let's see what they sent me. So Guru. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. So, send me this Markham Broder. I have the exact same one. I have the exact same one, but without the coin piece, and this one has the coin piece in it. It's from 1998 Pinnacle. So that's really cool. And Hat-Trick's triple jersey from 11-12 Panini Titanium of Steven Stamkos, Dana Tyrell, and Brett Conley out of 199. So really nice cards they sent me, even though I got shut out. So really nice. All these cards up for trade or for sale, including the rack pack cards. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.